So in this problem 6.20 of the book, we're analyzing the filling process of a bottle. We have three factors. Factor A is the percentage of carbonation. A low, 10, A high, 12. Factor B is pounds per square inch. B low, 25, B high, 30. Factor C is bottles per minute, the line speed. C low, 200, C high, 250. We do the table of signs. This is a two replicate problems. We do the sum, the Yates algorithm, and we obtain the contrast, the green ones, and the grand total, the yellow one. We calculate the effects and the sum squares. Now we do the analysis of variance. And we can see here in the F-test that the significant factors are factor A, factor B, and factor C, all alone. Now we do the average of every single one, A high, A low, B high, B low, C high, C low. And the closer to zero, because these data are variances, the closer to zero, the better, because of less variance. So in this one, the closer to zero is A low, so we choose A low. This one we choose B low, and in C we also choose C low. Now we do the regression equation. For the regression equation, we need the average, which is the grand total divided by the number of data, plus 1/2 of every significant factor. In this case, factor A, factor B, and factor C. And with this table, we obtain the expected value. We compare it to the observed, and the residual is the observed minus the expected, so we obtain the residuals. Now we plot the residuals against their probability, and we have the assumption of normality. In this case, there is no problem with normality. Now we plot the expected value in the x-axis and the residual in the y-axis to confirm for constant variance. And we can see that in almost everyone the variance is constant. Only in the first one is there a little problem, but in every other one the variance is constant. So we have to analyze the variance of every factor. And also we can see here that the variance of A, the variance of B, and the variance of C, C low, C high, B high, B low, A high, A low, is almost the same one. So neither factor affects the variance, we can conclude. Now we go back to the first part, so this is the final answer, because neither factor affects the variance, and this one affects the average. So we choose A low, B low, and C low.